With the development of information technology, the need for powerful computing seems to be increasing rapidly all over the world. The computer has become an integral machine in the workplace as well as at home. Software development, graphics design, product design, 3D designs, and gaming are some of those activities that require powerful processors, better memory space, and an excellent graphical processing unit. It's natural to expect such a powerful computer would be a desktop computer, but nowadays, companies are making powerful laptops. And today, we've selected such a laptop for you, the Lenovo Ideapad L340 gaming laptop.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. Lenovo Ideapad L340 is a simple yet powerful gaming laptop that's designed for the game-loving people. The laptop comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display that produces stunning video output, and the screen is bright enough to enjoy gaming on the laptop. Gaming and other high-power processing require powerful graphical processing, and Lenovo Ideapad L340 has an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. The graphics card has a memory space of 4GB, which enhances the gaming experience for the users. The Ideapad L340 comes with a powerful processing capacity. It's got a 9th generation 2.4 GHz Intel Core i5 processor that ensures a fast startup and quick game launching. In order to cope with the high power processing, the laptop is equipped with 8GB DDR4 memory with 2400 MHz speed. You can replace the memory to 32GB if you like to have your laptop with the highest possible memory. The laptop has got 512GB solid-state hard drive, which provides 15 times faster access to the storage. The laptop has got an enhanced privacy feature. The webcam comes with a physical shutter that you can use to protect your privacy while not using the camera. It offers two different working modes. You could use the quick mode when playing games, and you can use the quiet mode when working. Lenovo Ideapad L340 has got a powerful battery that will provide you power for up to 9 hours. We'll now investigate user reviews to find out what people are thinking about this fantastic laptop from Lenovo. The computer has got 4.4 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 447 users, which suggests that the laptop is recommended by many of its users for its brighter display, gaming performance, and high-speed processing. Here are some real user comments. One person has given 5 stars and commented, "This is a great laptop. Has a beautiful blue backlit keyboard. The SSD makes load times for programs extremely fast, and the IPS screen makes viewing angles really nice." Another person gave 5 stars and wrote, "This laptop surprisingly is good, quiet, light, and reasonably powerful. I didn't test it in much games. All I've tested is Total War Warhammer 2, and it has a stable 50+ FPS on ultra settings. With these specs, I think it's a good deal." A few people didn't find the product useful. Among them, one gave 1 star and wrote, "Because this computer was seriously great while I had it up and operational. I thought it was my dream laptop like the other users have said. Unfortunately, barely a week into use, my laptop froze up on me while I was browsing the internet. I forced to shut it down and it never turned back on." That's all we have on the Lenovo Ideapad L340 gaming laptop for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.